Hey, how's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is called Fit Over 40. And really doesn't matter any age, I just named it that because I'm over 40. But headed down for a workout right now, so I'm going to talk about my workout plan. I'm going to talk about my eating routine and just how to be fit over 40 or any age. So, if you're new to my channel, I eat a high raw plant-based diet. I also like to exercise. I like strength training, calisthenics, going to the gym, running, and I also practice intermittent fasting. So I've been eating a plant-based diet for over 11 years. I've been intermittent fasting for the last 6 or 7 years, and that's what my channel is all about, these topics. So I'm headed down right now at 11 a.m. for my workout today, which is going to be a run. And I typically strength train 2 to 3 days a week, and I run 2 to 3 days a week. I like to alternate, and after about 3 or 4 days, I'll take a rest day. I always like to work out fasted, so my 11 a.m. workout is when I take my lunch break, and I'm always fasted. I drink water throughout the morning to stay hydrated, and then do my workout at 11 a.m. and then I come home. I usually break my fast around 1 p.m. and I generally eat in a 6-hour eating window. So I'm fasting for 18 hours a day. That's my typical routine. I throw in other types of fasts here and there. Sometimes it's just eating once a day. Sometimes throwing a 36-hour fast every once in a while. But definitely think fasting is important for long-term health. So that's why I put those in there. And yeah, today is no different. Gonna run maybe 3-4 miles, go pretty hard, and then head back, get cleaned up, and I'll be having my first meal of the day. So I'll show you what I'll be eating, but definitely concentrating on trying to eat as much water-rich food as possible, like fruit, green salads, with some other plant-based foods as well. So yeah, go ahead. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my playlists. I have workout routines, different workouts that I do. I have what I eat in a day, shows you what I'm eating, and you'll get a better idea. But just some ideas on how to stay fit at any age. Exercise regularly, get plenty of walks. Whether you like to go to the gym, you could do calisthenics. If you don't like to go to the gym, you don't even need to. You can just do things like pull-ups and push-ups, squats. You can do everything at home. You can go to the park and work out. I do all different kind of workouts. So definitely doesn't have to be at the gym if you don't want to do that. I like to go running and concentrate on eating foods that have high water content, like fruit and green salads. So going to do my workout, head back, and I'll show you what I'm eating today. I'll be breaking my fast around 1 p.m. and then got my fingers crossed, have a pretty good watermelon. Probably going to be the first really good watermelon of the season, so I'm looking forward to it. So I was really excited about this. It's a Yumi watermelon, or a yummy watermelon. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but these are the best watermelons. So if you can find these where you live, I can't recommend them enough. They're just incredible. And normally we don't get these until about July. We have them in July and August, but it's the end of May and we got the first one in. It was super delicious. So I had about half the watermelon at 1 p.m. and that's the way that I broke my fast. So I do recommend for sure starting your day off or your first meal with water-rich fruit or a smoothie. And that's what I typically do. Super delicious. Next up at around 2:30, I had a huge bowl of berries. It was strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And we've been getting some really good berries in, so I've been enjoying those. And then at about 4 p.m., I made a salad. I had a big bowl of mixed greens, had a cucumber that I chopped up, 1 apple, 1 avocado, some small tomatoes, and on the top I put 4 dates cut up and about a handful of pistachios. So that's one of my favorite salad combinations right now. It's good to get in those greens, and it was just a bunch of fruit with some greens. Then I finished it off at 7 p.m. with some veggie masala over rice and garlic naan. So that was it for the day as far as what I ate. Also, I wanted to mention I have a plant-based recipe ebook. The link is in the description box below the video, so make sure you check that out if you want some delicious recipes that I eat on a regular basis to keep me fit and healthy. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.